My colleague Swastika Das provides this exclusive ground report straight from Amravati. The site, inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi back in 2015, is now undergoing several renovations. The foundation stone, which bears the name of Modi and Naidu, is being cleaned. The abandoned real estate properties are now hopeful of being completed after the revamp. Take a look at what she has to bring to the table.
Amravati is getting ready, and how? This is the people's capital that TDP chief, CM-elect of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, wants to build from scratch, quite literally. Let me give you a quick recap. This is that very foundation stone that was laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 22nd of October 2015, when he had come here as the first guest, as the first invitee of Chandrababu Naidu to lay the structure of Amravati. That in fact remains unfulfilled, but certainly is one of the biggest tasks on the hands of Chandrababu Naidu, the CM-elect of Andhra Pradesh, as he wants enough funds, lots of funds in fact, to develop the whole capital from the scratch. Let me just take you around what exactly this place looks like. Why is this place significant? Because not only does this bear the placard and the foundation stone here, but that is the very place where Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact the TDP also back then, had got soil from all states as a tribute, as the foundation layer to build Amravati. But in the last 5 years, Amravati has certainly been ignored and neglected, and something that had been mired in legal hurdles, considering that Jagan Mohan Reddy, the former chief minister, wanted 3 capitals. So the focus never really was on Amravati, and that's why all the farmers here who had in fact given away their lands in the name of the development of the capital city never got their compensation, and those asking for development also saw buildings being left stranded. In fact, apart from this region, which is sort of bears the testimony of what Amravati stands for, if you take a walk around entire area, there are several abandoned buildings. But now, with the change in the government here in the state of Andhra Pradesh, people are really hoping here, especially the farmers, to get their compensation. And from the real estate side, from the business point of view, and particularly from the aspirations of people who voted in favor of TDP, they are certainly hoping that the state of Andhra Pradesh will finally have a capital. And that's certainly going to be a big challenge for Chandrababu Naidu, who gears up to take oath as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh on the 12th of June.